Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change brightness of your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily reduce or change brightness, and there are three ways to change. The first one is change brightness from quick settings. Press Win plus A, shortcut, and you can see quick setting panel will now open, and from where you can easily drag the slider from left to right or right to left to increase or reduce brightness of your system. The second way to reduce or increase brightness, change brightness from settings. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Open settings panel, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option display. Click on display, and you can also change brightness from this page. Simply drag the slider from left to right or right to left to increase or decrease, reduce brightness of your system. Here other option also available here, night light and other color profile, you can change it. And the third way to change brightness of your Windows 11 and 10 system, change brightness with keyboard. This function will also work on your laptops. Press function key plus F5 button to dim your brightness. Press function Fn key plus F5 to dim your brightness, and function key plus F6 to increase brightness of your laptop. Varies by brand, HP, Dell, Lenovo or Asus. You can by various brand this shortcut key will change. This is for HP branded laptop. So you can easily change your brightness by three ways on your Windows.